begin with the Lodi City Council member arrested on election fraud charges, now out of jail. Shakir Khan faced a judge for the first time for these charges today. This comes amid a back and forth between the mayor and Khan's lawyer.
Now, the mayor says that Khan resigned from his city council position. His attorney says he didn't. KCRA 3's Josie Hart joins us live from Stockton, the courthouse there, for an update. Josie, walk us through exactly what happened today.
Well, he was ultimately granted his release, but not without some hesitation from the judge, and there were some terms and conditions laid out. Today, what we saw was a lot of demonstrators in front of the courthouse. They were mostly family members and friends of the council member who say they were here to push for his release and to show him that he's not alone in this battle. Lodi Council member Shakir Khan appeared in an orange jumpsuit and seemingly in good spirit, showing thumbs up to the media members and pumping his fists in the air as he walked into a Stockton courtroom. His attorney, Alan Sawyer, advocated for his release so that Khan can return home with his family while ongoing investigations and proceedings of the alleged election fraud continue. This is separate from previous allegations that he has yet to answer to in court regarding money laundering charges, and posed no threat to public safety. The judge did raise concerns over the previous allegations, and ultimately, Khan was granted release with zero bail on his own recognizance, but not without some conditions.
It's the same that they pretty much were on the other case. Obey all laws, don't leave the state of California. He has a GPS on him to make sure that he does that. It will be that he's subject to search. And these are all standard conditions, not unusual or anything specific to him.
The judge also ordered that Khan must remain in contact with his attorney and emphasized to him no new charges as the process continues. A preliminary hearing for these new charges has not been set yet. Khan's attorney tells us this could be a few months down the road, but for now, Khan is expected to return to court next week to answer to those money laundering allegations. Reporting live in Stockton, Josie Hart, KCRA 3 News.
And we know you'll be there, Josie. Thank you. So here's a look at what investigators say they found in the election fraud case against Khan. They say 23 people were registered to vote at Khan's home. 47 other people registered to vote at other addresses but used Khan's email or phone number. Most of the registrations were new and submitted to the Secretary of State between July and August of 2020.